What's up, y'all? So, welcome back to the Station Bakery for one. I need to get this off my chest. It's okay if you don't really know what you're doing, or you try something and you don't like it, or it doesn't really work out for you. And that's just how I'm kind of feeling right now about Instagram. To be honest with you, I don't even know why I am even chasing after Instagram. I did have a goal for Instagram, but it was just like a whatever kind of thing. My goal was to hit 10K on Instagram. I did that, so now I just feel like I'm kind of in like this weird kind of limbo type place, because there is no other goal for Instagram. Yet, for some reason, I find myself chasing after Instagram. I feel like I'm like going super crazy because it's like, I need to post on Instagram. I need to post on Instagram. Like, I need to grow on Instagram. I need to have a lot of views and engagement on Instagram. And I just keep asking myself, like, why? Why do I feel this deep urge and need and sense of like, I have to post on Instagram? And just social media in general, it can really have you in like these big highs and then these really low lows. And I feel like I'm being taken on this roller coaster when I don't even have to be on this roller coaster. Like, how did I even get on this ride, right? I know what I want to do, but it's just, how do I break that mindset to shift over to the things that really matter and that are important to me, to really focus and break away from what is seen as the norm, right? You go on Instagram and you see all of the people growing exponentially and like, wow, I have 10,000 followers, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100. And it's great and it's amazing, but you have to look at you and realize what your goals are. My goals currently are not for views and things on Instagram. That's just not a goal of mine. Like, I've just been having these like, oh, it's not working. What am I doing wrong? But I know that it's because I have kind of switched my focus over to just more of the business side of running a home bakery, which I thoroughly love to talk about. It's a little frustrating that like I'm not getting the response that I would hope to have, even though I know that like right now with the content that I'm posting, I'm breaking the algorithm for my page. When you do that, when you make such drastic shifts, is going to slow down your growth, because the algorithm is like, what's going on here? Okay, how do I reclassify you now and push you out and find the people that would appreciate this content? And so you start losing followers, losing your engagement dips, your view count dips. Like, all of that stuff kind of takes a hit because right now the algorithm and your page is confused. And that's part of the process. And I know that if I keep pushing, then those numbers are going to increase. But again, it just takes me back to like, why am I doing what I'm doing? I want to help y'all with Instagram, with the things that I have learned. But Instagram personally for me is not something that I want to actively pursue and have like all of my energy into. That's not the goal. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna be late. I need to go get my shoes and get in the car and go, and then we can come back and talk later. I love where we live so much. Everything is like so close. It doesn't take long to get anywhere, which is so cool. But anyways, I don't know why I'm so hard on myself, because when I think about the content that I have been making on Instagram, like, it's doing what it's supposed to do. We've been conditioned so much to only look at the views, and we miss out on like the whole purpose of everything. Like, I'm seeing like new people that I didn't even know follow me commenting on my posts. Not those little just playing along to play along kind of comments, but real comments that have real meaning behind it. Real comments that are allowing me to help other people with where they are in their business, which is what the content is supposed to do. I'm getting real life comments where my content is doing real life work to help other home bakers. We have to look past those vanity metrics and look at the actual purpose and the reactions that we're receiving from that content. Now I'm going to go pick up some lunch. If y'all don't know anything about Whataburger, like, y'all are missing out. In-N-Out, who? Nah. It's all about Whataburger. I enjoy making these vlog style videos, and I hope that y'all are enjoying it too. But if not, I got other stuff that you can watch. How can I create vlog style videos but still share and teach you things that are going to help you with your business? How do I share my life but also give you the tips and things for your home bakery business to be successful. Let's go get us some lunch and some food, and then we'll get back to the house and start our day, our work day. Yes, can I have a number 5? No vegetables. Add barbecue sauce. Yes, mustard and barbecue sauce. So today I need to record a voiceover for this video. That's what I'm getting ready to do right now, and get this video uploaded to YouTube to go live hopefully tomorrow. And then I need to record the rest of my cricket class. Okay, so I have been working on this cricket class for like the past 4 months, literally. I have recorded the footage. I've edited the different parts to the video. I just have not done the actual process of creating the cake topper. I want to give you a little bit more in this class, a little bit more, something that is designed well, that will sell well for you and your business. But now we're gonna be going full force, full gear, because I need to get that out for y'all, because you can do some things. You can do some things with these cake toppers. So, but first I need to work on this voiceover and get this video uploaded, and then we can move on to the other stuff. Video is edited, voiceover is complete. Now it's just time to export it and then get it uploaded onto YouTube so y'all can have a video to watch. We need to keep it moving so I can get the things done that need to get done today. Currently outside in the backyard. That's one of the things of, you know, being able to be at home and just doing what you want to do with your own business. So I have my computer. I'm not like just completely not working. I do have my computer right there, and I'm gonna finish typing up this article to go along with the video.
I have something for you.
This is for me.
I get this on over there.
You did? I love it. Thank you so much. You always choose the best flowers for me. Video is complete. Just waiting for it to upload, and then I will schedule it out to go live. I'm just going to take some time to work on the thumbnail for these plus pictures to go onto my blog post. So I am getting back started with my blog. But what I really want to show you is that it is currently almost 3:30. I have chosen to set parameters on myself for how long I'm going to work. It is a work in progress. It is not perfect at all. I don't want to spend all of my life working. It's easier for me to just work. Things are always on my mind. New ideas always popping up. I have an iPhone, and on the iPhone, you can set up timers. So you only have a certain amount of time that you're able to use certain apps, but also there is a feature that is called downtime. And so when you turn this on, you set certain hours that you have no screen time. No screen time available. Of course, if you need to or you want to, you can get access back to your phone and what you want to do and use it for. But my downtime actually starts from 3 p.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning. And as you saw, it's currently 3:30, so I am over my time for working, and I'm just gonna take this time now to just shut everything down. My video is being uploaded, my blog is ready to go. I just need to make a thumbnail for the video that I am going to continue doing. What that means is that I am not going to have time today to work on my cake topper class, but we will do it tomorrow.
Somebody say, don't be afraid of love.
I am back from dropping the girls off at school, which means I have a few hours to get my work done. I am getting ready to send out this Google Meet for one-on-one that I'm having, and we're just gonna walk through, getting her set up and ready to launch her home bakery business. Isn't that like the most exciting thing ever? I'm getting this set up so she can be ready for our meeting. We're gonna hit that off later on today, but I'm just really excited to be able to help another baker on their journey because we all need that help at some point or another, and I'm just happy that I can share what I know with someone else to help them be successful, because that's what it's all about. As much as possible, I just like to do what I can do. So let me get this invite sent out and then we'll carry on with our day. That was the alarm letting me know that my video is getting ready to go live. I do like to show up for my videos on time. Lately, I haven't been premiering it, which is when I release the video, like you get a notification ahead of time that, hey, this video is going to premiere at this time, and then you're able to talk live with me in the chat. It's just a time thing to keep myself accountable with not being on social media for so long, because I can just get so pulled in and sucked in. Hopefully, I'll get brave enough to go live more often with you all and to just have that scheduled time with you to, get to know y'all better and y'all get to know me better. Station Bakery. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, creamiest buttercream ever. Video has gone live. Posts have gone live. Things are doing great. My YouTube video is getting the normal amount of views. My random post that I post is like going crazy. Like y'all are really loving that meme. And then I just had another post go live 9 minutes ago where I shared 3 apps that I use to grow my home bakery. And then on TikTok, I posted a TikTok yesterday and it got flagged and it was like, oh, you went against our community guidelines. I filed an appeal and my appeal was corrected. It posted it late last night, so I was just like, whatever happens, happens. Woke up this morning, checked TikTok, and boom, it's growing. It's doing just as well as the other ones. And then I just posted a new TikTok. So we'll see how that goes. But now I need to get down to business. I got business to handle and I need to get down to it because my time is running low. I am going to head upstairs, or I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna find somewhere to work. The beauty of working from home, right? I'm going to find somewhere to work, start designing these 3 different kinds of cake toppers for the cake topper class. Let's get to business. So just like that, we are done with designing the cake toppers for the cake topper class. It is currently 1:08 p.m., which means I have about 40 minutes to spare before I need to go pick up my girl. We've gotten a lot done. Like, I'm proud to. I am gonna call it done for the day, have some me time and enjoy my life, sit down and chill out, get me something to eat, and just enjoy being at home without the hustle and bustle of kids. I'm not done completely for the day. I do have that one-on-one call that's going to be at 4 o'clock. I'm going to take y'all along with me to see that. Not all of it, because business, get you some. If you want to schedule a one-on-one with me, I'll be more than happy to sit down with you and we can do what we need to do to get you to where you need to be. It is time for me to enjoy and relax my life and live it up. Live it up with no kids. Picked up the little girls. They are back home, and now it is time for us to eat and have lunch. We got Olive Garden. We got them some spaghetti with broccoli, chicken gnocchi soup. Came with a salad, a order of breadsticks. I have the stuffed ziti, and this is going to be our lunch for today. We are about 10 minutes out. My husband and I, we would usually tag team if we had like meetings and things, and one of us will watch the kids while the other does whatever they need to do. However, our schedules have actually crossed over. We currently have the girls set up there watching a movie, which should hold them. Just gotta hope for the best with that. Gotta get a notebook so I can take notes and, you know, remember what we discussed, and just in case she's talking and I need to tell her something else, you know, I can have that written down. So we just got done with that one-on-one call. The lady that I met with, she is so awesome. I wanted to use my computer to talk and be able to record the session so I could share a few snippets with you all, but it just didn't work out that way, and I think that that's okay. We were able to really go in depth about her needs and to help her be as successful as possible, you know, as much information as you could provide in an hour with someone. And I got kids calling me, so I got to go. See y'all next time. Until then, peace.